I'm going to show you how to install the optional water station cover. So if any of you guys, which I know most people did order the optional water station cover, I'm going to show you how to install that. So that's super easy as well. Okay, so let me grab this. So this is the water station cover. It'll come to you just like this if you ordered it. If you ordered it by itself, it'll be shipped to you in its own box. If you ordered it with the GLSS, it'll be inside the packaging as well, all wrapped up. So it's finished product. Once you, we put the optional little shower holder on here to hold our water hose for when we take outdoor showers. We sell these, by the way. You can order them on the website. Little shameful plug. Anyway, so here's the system. It's got a door on it and everything. And the whole idea is, when we were taking pictures of this, we saw this water station and it just didn't fit. It didn't look nice back here with our GLSS system. So we thought, well, let's cover it up. And then I watched somebody try to get into the van, and they actually tried to hold this as a handle to pull themselves up into the van because it's so high. So I thought, we definitely need something to protect this. So we came out with this. 2L brackets, everything's already installed. All you're gonna do is, let's move this up a little closer so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so there's already 2 screws in the water station cover, here and here. We're just gonna take these out. It's a Phillips screwdriver or a drill. Just pop these out, put them aside. And we're just gonna screw right back into the same hole with the same screws. So we're gonna put this in place. We're gonna open up the door to line it all up. So you're gonna line the little L bracket in the hole with the water station cover. Just line that up, and you're gonna go right back into the same hole. We try to set everything up where it's all plug and play, super easy. If for some reason the holes don't line up perfectly, we supply you with the hex wrench and all the goodies that you can make an adjustment and move that arm a little bit to line those holes up. But I can't imagine they're gonna be any different than this, but you never know. So that's it. You just screw that into place. Both sides. Okay, and that's it. That's your water station cover. It's locked into place, and you're good to go. We leave our hose. We'll put our hose in there. We got one of these little nozzle holders here, and that way everything's covered, it's protected, and it all ties in nicely with our system.